Students, over the coming weeks, you may find yourself marveling at the beauty of this campus. I know I did. These Yale landmarks will be your home for the coming years, spaces you will always associate with memories you create here. You will sit in classrooms and work in laboratories to explore subjects from the structure of a cell to the vastness of the cosmos, from the history of nations to the literary contributions of a single writer. You have been given a remarkable opportunity. You will live and interact with peers from many different backgrounds and perspectives. Serendipitous encounters in dining halls and common rooms will lead to engaging conversations and enduring friendships. It is also important for you to meet faculty, staff, alumni, and our neighbors in New Haven, all of whom are part of the rich layers of connection that comprise this community. So today, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to a place of both scholarship and friendship. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to Yale.